көтөрген чай өскөн талаага. Экинчиси менен чай жасалган заводко кирсек болот.
This plant is named Camellia sinensis. That is the scientific name for the plant. Now when the tea leaf comes to the factory, all the leaves will be first starting. Then take the leaf and put the leaf on this. You use the basket, take the leaf and bring it, drop it.
Smelling like, flowers, they adding something.
No. They are just adding, not here. That is in Colombo, not here. After the rolling, the tea will be like the olive. Yeah, this is the machine separating like this.
Okay.
This and this. With the correct time, this is for the fermentation. This will be re-rolled. Like this. This go back again, roll it and break this into small pieces like this. This is the best separate. This is the correct size is too big.
Yeah.
This will be broken into small pieces like this.
Okay. And this is final?
No, this is ready for the fermentation.
Fermentation.
This is the second process.
Okay.
Now we are going to see now the machine works like this. Same machine. This is the fourth machine. After that only import that which is seaweed separate. Small particles go, big particles coming back again. Now smell it and see. You smell? You smell it and see. Smell? Yeah.
And now,
This is ready one.
after fermentation.
Yeah, after fermentation. This got the drying machine again drying.
Right.
It got the dry. Now this is ready, almost ready. It got the again Susenia. 95 Celsius, 21 minutes timing. Hot like oven.
Okay.
They are drying. 95 Celsius, 21 we got the next time.
Okay.
After turning back, it's done here duck. Like this. This is the third process. This is for the next stage. Before that, this will be separate.
Okay. Without.
Machine separate to different sizes. Big, small, smaller. And big is a small particle. This is a big particle. This is for the morning tea, more caffeine, and this is for the night. Anyway, this is the best quality for the factory. This is for the afternoon tea, like afternoon. Morning tea very small, for night time very big, afternoon. Different particle make different character. The particles are small or strong. The particle light up or night. This on the test.
Yeah.
This on the bottom.
Okay, so this is better, yeah?
Black is better.
Okay.
And how can we choose it market or
Market table premium quality. Premium quality. Second quality. No. Normal tea, premium quality. The back they write it premium quality this one. this is the bag used for packing this. This is to keep the tea fresh.
Yeah.
This is going to be manual work. They take the tea, fill the tea. They pack it in the bag. While packing each batch, they take sample. That is a sample work.
Yes.
Strong.
Çaytörgen talağa gelip kaldık.
Are you coming up?
Kana Vasi.
Okay. No, you can take your time.
Tutum.
Now we have the background.
Vasi? Yes, video. Men bir жалбырактар кичейин, бул эжекебиз. 100 жалбырактар. It's more better. Бул болсо менин терген чайым. Сүрөткө түшкөнчө.
There was a T20.
But is this okay? Is this okay?
Darker.
That's
lighter.
an alright.
Okay, okay. Is it on it?
Yeah, in. That's how you have to go. But this, for example,
That there? Come on, T.